Cognate, g. The unvoiced tongue-back plosive consonant. With the tongue in the G position, let the tongue spring away in the soft, unvoiced click of the K drum beat. Feel a crisp tap and a pulsation in the back of the tongue. Tap the K drum beat in these words: walk, block, back, park, thank.
Bank, sick, excuse, break, trunk.
Tap the K in these sentences. Play it for full musical value the first time and then to convey the meaning.
Walk, one, block, back, to the park. Walk 1 block back to the park.
I can thank the bank for making me sick. I can thank the bank for making me sick.
Excuse me, but the brake shoe is not in the trunk. Excuse me, but the brake shoe is not in the trunk.